Love with the house. I'm in love. I am in love with this house. I will not lie to you and be like, oh, I'm not in love with this house. I am in love. This house is 100 grand overpriced for the market. I love this house. This house I can see myself waking up to, and I hate houses. Oh, the bedroom you can't even see from over here. I would actually have to take this little courtyard. I could have a little secret garden here. Get this little fountain fixed. This is the living room. Oh, Jesus. I don't love things. But when I love things, oh my God, I love things. There are some issues. This is a 1970s home. But how can you be 100 grand over your market area? I know you're proud. Oh, so you got your shade. There's no backyard. This house is not for a family. This house is for me. Yes, it is. I love this house. I love this house. Can I say it one more time? Is it a shame how much I love this house? It's a shame. A shame. How could somebody love something so much? I haven't seen another house like this. Oh, give it to me. Give it to me reasonably, though. Don't rip me off. Be fair. Oh, can you see the parties here? Do you want a cocktail? Do you want a tequila? You want to go dip in the pool all the time? Okay, fine. Oh, doing my own laundry here. Oh, I want this house. I love you. I love you, house. I am euphorically in love with this house. I hope, people want stupid stuff. I'm trying to get away from them. They're downstairs. That's the master bedroom. I will avoid that. It does need some work. We're sticklers at this price. These floors should not be laminate. They shouldn't be laminate at all. Little extra bonus room with a wet bar. Oh, I don't ever have to even come upstairs really because this is like more for kiddos, I love this house. Where did I find the closet? Little extra bonus room with a wet bar. Oh, I don't ever have to even come upstairs really because this is like more for kiddos, I love this house. Where did I find the closet? This is an extra closet that my boyfriend could have. I didn't even include the master bedroom on this. If you're watching this, please know that I love this house. I don't love many things, and I would have this my forever Texas house. As long as we live in the state of Texas, this would be my house. Any other states, I don't know. Only way I would move out of this house is if we moved to another state. I love this house. I love this house. I love this house. Oh, little extra toilet. I love older homes because they value privacy. In today's world, people don't value privacy. I love this house. Oh, give me this house. Oh, I love this house. There's no backyard. It's for me. I love this house. I'm mad at these floors. They're not real wood, but, people gotta save money. Another closet. So much closet space. I guess I'll show them my house. I'm ready to take my little stuff and move it right here. Actually, new stuff. Big sectional. Oh, look. Where are we going? We're going to my own private wing. Yes, we are. What is this? What is this you say? Away from you? People upstairs? Whoever you may be in the future? Oh, look. Look. What am I doing? I'm getting some sunshine before closet. My boyfriend's like, babe, there's not enough closet space for me. Oh, what did you say? Did the universe hear me and say I don't want any complaints about the things that I love as I come out into my room that's just clean and clear before I go about my world? What? White. Just clean. Clean me here. Clean me here. If you have a house for sale and it does not look like this, I don't want to be there. What is this here? What do we have? Closet. Yup. No complaints. No complaints. I can fix that up, make it my own little secret garden. I want this house.